Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Google password. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, first thing first, here you just have to open your Googles, of course, and you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or the mobile data. And after here, I'm gonna open my Google by the applications. Now, just go to your account icon here at the top right in the corner. Now tap on a Google account, and then in this page, you just have to scroll it down a little until you'll find here the Google password. Just tap on it. Now in this page, you just have to enter your password first, and then tap on the next button. And as you can see, there are two columns here guys. At the first column, you just have to enter your new password, and then at the second column, you just have to enter it again for confirmation. Here I'm gonna make my new password first. Now you just have to scroll it down until you find here the change password button. Just tap on it. And yeah, as you can see, there are an information at the bottom here guys. For the password, it's already changed. And in this page, you also can see the informations for the password changed successfully. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.